Hello everyone and welcome to Solar Sandbox. So this is a game that I was actually approached to play by its developer in Discord, so massive thank you to them for reaching out and offering this to me. It looks quite interesting. It's basically almost like a Universe Sandbox-esque game, but in 2D. So I'm quite interested to see how this runs and how this plays. It also has a few sort of Minecraft-looking vibes to it with the menu screen especially. It even says also try Universe Sandbox, and obviously the text and the font of the text, it looks quite Minecraft-like. So I'm quite interested to see what this is like. But yeah, he says he's new to programming. This is his first ever project, so he's requested me to give him some feedback. So I thought I'd put it into a video, show it off to you guys as well, and let's see what it's all about, really. So massive thank you again to him for sending this to me. So without further ado, let's give this a try. So, Solar Sandbox. So I'm going to go straight to our solar system. We'll go to sort of the default simulation. So let's see what's going on here. Right. Right, hello, right. So this is all in 2D here. So what's that? Can we click on anything? So we've... Oh, hello, okay. Let's see how this runs. So can we... What does this do? Oh, that's a speed thing. Okay. Interesting. So I'm guessing we got Mercury, Venus, Earth is the green. That would be Mars there. Can we actually zoom in on any of these in particular? If we slow it down. Or is that the button to... That's Saturn, Jupiter, Mars, Earth, Venus, Mercury, Sun, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Okay. Interesting. So I'm guessing this is like a simulation that you can only sort of look at. Oh, some stuff just crashed into the sun there by the looks of things. Oh, wow. Oh, so it's quite pixely. So it kind of is like a... It does remind me of like a... It's like a mix of like a Minecraft and then a Universe Sandbox kind of game put together. It's kind of a shit. Ah, there we go. So that's Mercury. So I've locked onto Mercury by clicking on it. Okay, there you go. So that's Venus there. Can we click on Venus? There you go. So that's Venus. So it's all in 2D, remember? So you can see that slowly moves. So if I speed it up, does it... Oh, so it does actually move. Okay. Interesting. So I guess you'd kind of describe this as like a test sort of game. Like a test build. Just kind of just a programming thing. But yeah, so far, pretty interesting. So there's the Earth. We've got Mars. I'm guessing is that one there. See if we can click on it. Is that Mars? There you go. Or is that... No, that must be the moon. Now, I'm guessing that's the moon. Mars is obviously the red one. So, where are we? It's quite hard to spot them. I think name tags, I think that would be one thing I'd suggest straight away is name tags that you could filter on and off just so we can spot stuff easier. That's the Earth again. Where's Mars? Is it that one? That's obviously that's Jupiter. That's pretty obviously Jupiter there. You can see it's got the 4 Galilean moons around it as well. So let's just try and slow down. It's a little hard to navigate. That's one thing I'm kind of getting so far. So that's Jupiter. Obviously, we would have the Galilean moons. We've got Io, Europa. That's definitely Europa. We've got Ganymede as well. Over here, I'm guessing. Is that Ganymede? Yeah, it's very difficult to sort of spot some of these in the background as well. So I definitely would recommend sort of name tags or like just sort of basic trails that we could easily navigate to. And then I'm guessing Callisto is this guy here. Interesting. That looks like the one that is Sun are describing. I'm guessing that's the Mars looking one. Can we like drag anything in here? I'm not really sure. Okay. What's that? What's that that's broken away there? What is that? Maybe that's Mars then? I'm not entirely sure. It's going a different way around the sun though. Let's have a look. Let's just speed that up. Looks like it's on a crash course. Oh, that one just disappeared. Oh, what's that? What is all that? It looks like it's just blown up and crashed into the sun there. Interesting. So it's definitely a Mercury, a Venus, and Earth. It doesn't look like there's a Mars, though. Interesting. Where's the Saturn? Let's see if we can find the Saturn. I can't zoom out any further, I don't think. That's as far as I can zoom out. So I don't know how I can really lock onto the outer planets. I think that's Uranus there. I've not found Saturn yet. And then Neptune, I mean, let's just go to full speed. There's Saturn. Okay, you can see it with its rings. I'm trying to select on it. There we go. So there's Saturn. Okay. I quite like the design. It's the pixely designs. I mean, I would say, though, Mercury and Venus, I would highly suggest that their colours don't look Mercury or Venus-like at all. That's just my personal opinion, though. But I do think that they don't really look like their counterparts at all in that regard. Let's have a look here. I'm guessing that's... I think this is Uranus. It is the 8th one. Well, no, 7th one, I should say, sorry. So... There we go. And then Neptune is its deeper blue. Again, I'm not really sure what these buttons do. I'm guessing these must be like navigation buttons. But it's a little hard to find. I don't think finding Neptune's going to be very easy because we can't really go any further out. Even Saturn's about to go off the screen there. Oh, so that's just crashed into the sun. So I'm not sure what I did there. Okay, interesting. Is there anywhere we can go back to the main menu? I'm not entirely sure. Oh, okay, so if you hold right and then you can click. Okay, just trying different buttons. So where is that Neptune? What's going on over here? Something's blown up. But yeah, you can hear me clicking here. I'm trying to navigate to that. That's the Neptune looking world there. Okay. Interesting. I quite like those little star backgrounds. That's quite cool, actually. But I do think it's a little hard to navigate to the icons. I think that's one thing I'd probably suggest there. Okay. What does that do? Did that just reset stuff? What happened there? Interesting. Okay. I want to say one of these objects is Ceres. You've got Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. I'm guessing there's a Ceres in here. That blue trail there. At the bottom on the left now. I'm guessing that's a Ceres of some kind. I'm not entirely sure. Right, anyways. I want to try and go into those other simulations. I'm trying to press escape, delete, enter. I'm not sure how we go back to the menu. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to restart the game. And sort of see what those other simulations look like. Right, so let's give Proxima a go now. Let's go into here. Right, so what we got going on in here? Okay, so we've got the same icons at the bottom. So we've got good old Proxima there, looking pretty cool. I'm guessing we've got Proxima B here. Okay, interesting. So Proxima B, C, D. I think there's Proxima, yeah, B, C, D there. Can we see Alpha Centauri at all? Or is it literally just Proxima? So it all runs quite nicely. I like the trails. So yeah, we definitely got 3 planets. So we've got Proxima B, C, and D there. Oh, I looks of things. Okay. So I'm guessing that's everything this simulation has to offer. Yeah, I would say it's very difficult to sort of spot the planets with them being so zoomed out here. So I think, yeah, some sort of trail or some sort of little thing that you could navigate to them a little easier, because you can see if it's moving. It's very hard to click it, and even if I pause it, you can barely see them when it's paused. They almost look like background stars, so it's a little hard to sort of spot everyone. I'm trying to get to that one. There we go. So that's the next planet out. Okay. I do like the pixie designs, though. You know, you definitely have that sort of mix of Minecraft and sort of 2D universe sandbox almost vibes in here. That's sort of what I'm getting from it. Then we've got a larger planet. That blue one seems to be a larger one there. Again, it's very difficult to sort of navigate to these there. But I think the best way to do it is just do this and zoom in yourself. I like that blue one. It looks quite nice. So there we are there. So that is the 3rd planet out. So we got B, C, D. So this would be the D, Proxima D here. Okay. Interesting. So I'm not sure what these buttons at the bottom there do. I'm right clicking, left clicking them. I'm not sure what they are supposedly there for. And then moving on, we'll check out that last sandbox mode and see what's going on in there. Let's have a look. Right, so now, yes, let's give the full sandbox a go. So what do we do in here? Can we actually place anything? It doesn't look like we can. Oh, hang on, I just did something. Ah, so if you double click it, it did it, look. Ah. So I've got 2 suns. Oh, how does that go? What happens if you... Can you speed up time at all? How does... I don't know if you can speed up time in it. What if we try... Oh, all of... Oh! Oh dear. We just bounced off each other. Okay, so how do you actually drag stuff on? Oh. We've got time sped up on full. So I'm trying to just sort of... I'm not sure what button drags them on. Double click? Let's definitely double click. Okay. Whoa. I don't know what happened there. I think one thing as well, we need to know what the controls are. That's one thing I'd probably suggest here. Because it's never easy going into something you don't know what the actual controls do. Like I'm not sure. I can double click the star and spawn that in, and that sort of disappears. It appears off the screen as well, which is a little weird. Like I'm trying to double click it though. Interesting, okay. So I'm not sure how to spawn in these. And I think name tags to tell you which object's which is quite useful as well. Because again, these first 2 here, I mean, I think the blue one is supposed to be Mercury. I mean, I'm guessing this is meant to be Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. But again, look, how do I spawn them in? Look, I'm clicking it. Nothing's really happening. That's very weird. If I slow everything down. Yeah, it all just disappears again. That is very, very strange. Well, that does say see it. Just in the positive numbers, maybe. I'm not sure what these are actually doing. Again, yeah, it's all just sort of disappearing now. I'm not entirely sure. There needs to be some sort of way that you can like make stuff orbit other things. Is probably one thing I suggest there. But yeah, if that all said and done though, I think that will do it for this video. So what do you guys think of that? Quite an interesting little project. It's very early in development though, so let's cut them a grain of salt there. It is very, very early. But yeah, there we go. Interesting nonetheless. I would definitely be keen to see what this looks like in, let's say, a month's time of continuous development. Could be interesting, seeing it all sort of seeing stuff orbit each other, and I think the trails, I mean, obviously very heavily inspired by Universe Sandbox in the 2D format, so quite interesting. But yeah, that is Solar Sandbox, everyone. So massive thank you for watching this video. Again,